To join the Mexc Global Affiliate Program, start by opening the App Store on your device. Locate the search button, usually found in the bottom row alongside options like Today, Games, and Apps. Tap on the search button to access the search bar. Then type in Mexc to find the Mexc Buy and Sell Bitcoin app. Download the app. Then exit the App Store and locate the installed app on your device. Open the app and log into your account, which can be accessed from the top left corner. Once logged in, you'll see various options such as fee settings, referral, security, and more. To join the affiliate program, it's recommended to visit the Customer Service and Help Center, as navigating through the app can be tricky. Verify your account for servers. Then access the affiliate program through a browser. This approach is suggested for ease of use. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully join the Mexc Global Affiliate Program.